Hey guys, JBB video here. I know been a while that I make a video. Today I'm gonna do what's gonna be my later event of making my newer YouTube video. This is vivitar popcam. This is my digital camera that I'm going to make my future video with. It have had to flip up this and then had the display screen, and it can take a picture, and also have an SD card slot and a rechargeable battery to it, and widescreen. You can take a picture of it and make a video on this too. Another video will be too blurry, but this is my future. This is gonna make my future YouTube video on it. Had to rotate the video camera that I can make a video on it, and it can also be a good one. I used to have an older version, the regular snap camera I used to have like a couple years ago, but this one this is gonna be for my future YouTube video, so I can make my video on my YouTube. So I need to get some stuff for it so I can get it, so I can make some video on it. They're gonna release very going soon, not real soon, but sooner or soon. So it can be a good pop cam for my YouTube video, for the future YouTube video I'm gonna make with this thing. So you can read the comment, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up and about this vivitar digital camera. It have like a headphone jack and a Type-C charger. Have video mode, switch mode, the up, down, left, or right button, and even the display, power, play, light, menu, and the little speaker, and they've been flip out so I can make my video on this. So I'm gonna be read you on the comment when I'll be read my video on this, so you can add a little strap for your hand on it, so you can make your video on it. So you can subscribe, and you can read the comment of it, so I can make you a comment. So I did make you a comment, so I give you an update of my video, so I can see you all in the next video.